Okay guys, what we got here is some British Lee Enfield No1 Mark III SMLEs drill purpose rifles from J&G Sales. I have no clue what condition these are in. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage from packaging from whenever it got shipped. I bought these at J&G Sales for $99 a piece. It is March 2025, so this is just kind of a time capsule of what you can expect if you order from J&G Sales in March of 2025. So let's get to open them. I have not seen these. My FFL said that they're pretty nasty, so I have only opened them up just to make the video a little bit easier. So let's look at them. This one doesn't have a bolt. Oh, here's the bolt. Okay. Not just in too rough a shape. There's a little bit of cracking right here. Well, actually, that's a replacement. That is a repair work done. As you can see, it is covered in cosmoline and just oil and dirt and nastiness. But, oh yeah, look at all the dirt in this front sight. Pretty nasty. But, as you can see, all parts are here. Everything seems to be all right. This is a... Well, let's see here. I don't see any markings on the tang. We do have what appears to be, no, maybe not. Mark III UK is all it says. So, oh, here we go. Underneath all this dirt, I see a 1955. Let's see here. 1955, 56 maybe. Right here. Yeah, overall, not too shabby of condition. I mean, it is definitely nasty. But let's get this bolt and see how it looks. Well, looks like a regular old bolt. It is not marked. Oh, yes, it is marked. It is marked DP. If you can see that. DP. Let's see if we can't get this bolt to go in. Ooh. And will it fire? Yes, it will. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's pretty roachy. But overall, not too shabby of a first rifle. I don't see anything, I mean, other than it being dirty, I don't see anything wrong with this. Good. No real broken pieces. The sights work. Ugh. Yeah. All right. There's one. Let's get this other one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. This one is, oh, this one is even worse. Look at all that just lovely dirt and grime and oil that needs cleaned up. Well, this one seems to be actually, oh my gosh. Come on now, focus, focus. Not on me. There we go. Oh yeah. Absolute dream. I don't know what this is. Some kind of dirt, gunk. But not too shabby. This one here is marked DP on the handle as well. Let's see what this says. This says Ishapur 1929 SMLE 3. No star, no nothing. There is the crown. Yes. All right, let's see if we can't get this on video. There we go. You can kind of see what it says. So, looks like a British and a Indian Enfield. And this one is a little bit older. This one surprisingly does not have the markings on the wood like the British one down here. This one just has a magazine. All right, let's, ooh. Something is not working right. It is not catching. Safety works, but something is not right with this trigger because it is, oh yeah, see, look at that. Yeah, something's wrong with this trigger. So, unfortunately, this one might need a little bit of work to actually get it to, oh my gosh, just absolute mess. But you know what? I don't think it would take much to have this one come back to life. The wood on this is really, really nice. Maybe if I stand in front of it, there we go. The wood on this is really nice. I do see what looks like it's been in a vise at some point. It's got vise marks. I don't know. But overall, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay, cool. Well, that's the video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and kind of give you an idea of what you can expect from J&G sales March of 2025 if you're wanting to get some British or Indian Lee Enfield DP rifles for $99. So, thanks for coming in.